Hello and welcome to Sit Down Saturday, where we answer your questions. Today's question is from Lily and it says, I kick too high above the water. It increases a lot of drag. I am a mid-long distance freestyler, but I always fail to swim faster because of my kick technique. Do you guys know how to do small kicks while maintaining fast speed? It's very hard for me to give you specific advice because I haven't seen you swim. I imagine if your kick is too high, you might be bending your knees too much, and that's causing it to come out of the water. You need to find the width of your optimal kick. So if you open your legs too much, that will cause a lot of drag. Or if you bend your knees too much, that would also cause a lot of drag. So you need to exaggerate not bending the knees and kicking very small, and then bending the knees a little bit but kicking really small. And then to contrast it, just do a big kick and see how that feels. And the other part of the answer is maybe you need a lot more rotation, because if you're rotating, picture this. This is the surface, and if you're rotating, your kick is less likely to come out of the surface. I hope that helps. See you next Saturday. Swim fast!